Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wooden bead spinner is probably one of the most satisfying and efficient tools for crafting enthusiasts, allowing you to effortlessly create stunning jewelry, intricate decorations, or any project involving beads. In this video, we will explore the top-rated wooden bead spinners on the market, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your crafting needs, whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate beginner. Number 5. Shop LC Clay Bead Spinner Kit. This kit makes jewelry making easier and more fun. It's perfect for crafting bracelets and necklaces. Simply fill the bowl with beads, thread the needle, and spin. It saves you time and reduces hand strain. You'll receive a pinewood bead spinner, a 3-meter wire, and a stainless steel needle. Everything you need to get started. The spinner measures 5.25 by 4 by 4 inches, and the needle is 5.5 inches long. It's the perfect size for comfortable use. It's a unique and thoughtful gift for birthdays, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. Perfect for craft enthusiasts. Purchase it with confidence. It comes with a 6-month warranty against manufacturing defects. We're here to help. What we like. It's made of pine wood, making it a lightweight and economical choice. If you're a beginner or on a budget, this is a great starting point. It's also easy to use, perfect for those new to beading and wanting a simple, fun project. What people say. The bowl is designed well enough that both extremely tiny beads and large beads can all thread fairly easily. It has made stringing seed beads onto wire so much easier. The spinner is made from wood and spins easily. Makes crafting with wire and seed beads a breeze. Number 4. Beadalon Spin and Bead Spinner. This innovative tool is designed to make bead stringing faster and easier than ever before. It's perfect for jewelry makers of all skill levels. Watch how quickly it strings beads. You'll save valuable time and increase your productivity. It features a sturdy wooden bowl, adding a touch of elegance to your workspace while securely holding your beads. The included big eye needle makes loading and stringing beads incredibly simple and efficient. Say goodbye to frustrating tangles. This spinner is designed to streamline your workflow, allowing you to create beautiful jewelry pieces quickly and efficiently. It's a game changer for busy jewelry makers. From Beadalon, a leading brand known for high-quality beading supplies, you know you're getting a durable and reliable tool that will last. What we like. This one boasts efficiency and a sturdy wooden bowl. If you are looking for a time-saving tool to increase your productivity, this is the one for you. The big eye needle makes threading beads a breeze. What people say. I was able to string about 30 feet of beads in under an hour. It makes stringing beads so fast and easy. I was able to finish my original necklace, a bracelet, and 2 more bracelets in less than an hour. Number 3. Tilhumt Bead Spinner. This bead spinner is made from high-quality beechwood, ensuring durability and stability. It's designed for a smooth, effortless beading experience. The polished bowl spins silently and smoothly, thanks to its clever design. Enjoy a seamless beading experience without interruptions. This complete kit includes a bead spinner, 2 large eye needles, and 3,000 seed beads in assorted colors. You're ready to start creating right away. Simply fill the bowl, thread your needle, and spin. It saves time and reduces hand fatigue, letting you focus on your designs. Make bracelets, necklaces, and more with ease. It's perfect for creating unique and personalized gifts. This kit makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. It's thoughtful, fun, and perfect for creative individuals. We stand behind our product. If you have any issues, we'll provide a solution within 24 hours. Enjoy your purchase. What we like. Made from premium beechwood, it offers a smooth, silent rotation and long-lasting durability. If you value quality and a superior beading experience, this is an excellent choice. It also comes with everything you need to get started right away. What people say. Makes random designs in the jewelry. Easy to learn and use, the trays and scoop are quite helpful. Takes a little getting used to, not works brilliantly. Make a U-shape with your wire which will help you pick up more. Lovely wooden item, nice looks, and good quality. Number 2. Hobbyworker Upgrade Wooden Bead Spinner. Say goodbye to tangled beads and frustrating knots. This bead spinner makes jewelry making a breeze. Its smooth rotation and large needles ensure efficient and enjoyable crafting. It features a polished wooden turntable and a durable stainless steel rotating shaft. This ensures smooth, effortless bead stringing for hours of comfortable crafting. Everything you need is included. The kit comes with a bead spinner, large needles, thousands of beads, and even a surprise gift to enhance your creative journey. Make bracelets, necklaces, and more with ease. It's perfect for creating unique, personalized gifts or for selling your handmade creations. It's not just for adults. Enjoy quality time with your family and children, fostering creativity and bonding while making beautiful jewelry together. Backed by a reputable supplier with 20 years of experience, you can trust in its quality and durability. We're here to help with any questions you may have. Simply give it a spin and start stringing. Its manual operation makes it incredibly user-friendly for crafters of all skill levels. What we like? This spinner offers a smooth, effortless spin and is built to last. If you want a reliable and long-lasting tool with plenty of beads to get you started, this is a great option. It's perfect for creating a variety of jewelry pieces. What people say? Straightforward to use, worked well. Made making beaded waistbands a breeze. The spinner is easy to use and it's quite remarkable how quickly you can string a bracelet. Love the hand spinning ones much better as it's better control and the beads don't fly all over the place as they do with electric and batter operated ones. Number 1. Xmada Electric Bead Spinner. It automatically feeds beads through the curved needle, making jewelry making faster and more fun. Perfect for bracelets, necklaces, and waist chains. Easily adjust the rotation direction and speed to suit your project's needs. No special skills are required. The powerful and durable AC motor ensures smooth operation and a long lifespan, lasting at least 2,000 hours. 2 clip-style needles are included, suitable for most wire sizes. They're sturdy and designed for efficient beading. It's powered by USB, so you can plug it into a power bank, computer, or wall charger. This kit includes the electric bead spinner, jewelry wire, 2 beading needles, and 1,200 glass C beads. Everything you need to get started. It features a beautiful wood grain design and anti-slip stickers on the bottom to prevent beads from spilling. A great gift for crafters. We offer a free return and replacement service if you're not completely satisfied with your purchase. What we like? This electric spinner automates the beading process, allowing for speed and direction adjustments. If you value convenience and speed, and want to make beading faster and more fun, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? It performs as advertised and was a great value for the price. This makes beading go so much faster and has held up well so far. Pretty good quality and is easy to use. It is on the smaller side but holds enough beads. The color of it is pleasing on the eyes. It has adjustable speed and you can change the direction it rotates so you're bound to find a setting that works for you. The spinner works great, just make sure you put in a tub container that is tall when using. Or you will have beads everywhere. I love it and use it all the time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.